Okay, good morning class. So today we're looking at the last part of the number theory in your diagnostic test. Before we go into the practice section. So in skill 8 we were asked the number pattern, correct? So how do I move from 3 to 6? You're adding 3, and then we add 3 again, you get 9, then we add 3 to get 12. The question says, right, find a rule for each of these number patterns and write the next two terms. So the rule is,
good morning, can I have your
add
attention,
3.
please? My apologies for the
So the next
interruption.
number, if I add 3 to the subject,
Tita Maglamenkulu in 8B and Isigne Malumbu, also in grade 8.
and we add 15 again, 3 again, we get 8.
Tita
You all agree with that?
Maglamenkulu and Isigne Malumbu in grade 8. Both to the music block, please.
Alright, let's look at number 2. From 6 to 18, how do I get 6 to 18? Multiplying by 3. Did I multiply 18 by 3? It's 24, it's 54. Yes, I multiplied by 3. So the rule is multiplied by 3. Okay? So if I say 54 multiplied by 3, I'm going to get 12, carry 1. That's 15, 60, 162. Is that correct? 162 multiplied by 3 is 6, 18, 486. Okay. Any confusion there? No? This one marker. Skill 8. Alright, so let's look at number 3. So how do I move from one term to the next? You add 2, and then if I add 2, do I get 9? No. So I'm adding 4. And then the next one? 2, 4? 6. It's 8. Okay. So you double the 3 minus 1. So you double 3 minus 1, double 5 is 10 minus 1, double 8 is 18 minus 1 is 17. So that is another pattern. So if I double 17, I get 34 minus 1, 33. Double 33, 66 minus 1, 65. So what we do? We double minus 1. That's it. Double the previous number minus 1. Or times 2 minus 1. Yeah? Okay, number 4. 128, 64, 32. Dividing it by 2. So that's the rule. Or you could have said multiplied by okay, any of the two would be acceptable. 32 times half is 16. 16 times half is? Okay. Number 9, substitution. Skill 9. Which page is that on? So not page 22. So here we are told that if the triangle is 5 and the diamond is 3, find the value of these expressions. So we just stop. Triangle is? 5. So 5 plus? 6. What's 5 plus 6? You will agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Let's look at the next one. The diamond is 3. So it's 3 minus? What's 3 minus 2? Look at the next one. The diamond is 3. So it's 2 times? What's 2 times 3? Okay, and the last one is 3 into? Diamond is 3 plus the angle is 5 minus 2. So it's 3 into 3 plus 5 is 8. And 8 minus 2 is 3 times 6 is? What do you do with that? Any confusion? No? Here we have a table now. It's complete. The table, if, what do you call that? That is pages. Clovers, clubs, or whatever you call it. Okay. Where do we find these shapes? Deck of cards. Okay, so we are told that the clover is equal to 3 times the spade plus 2. So as you can see here, the spade is defined in the first case as a 1. The clover is equal to 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2. And 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, and 3 plus 2 is? So each corresponding value, of course, is? You would agree with that? Yes?
I don't understand. I still don't understand number 5.
Number 5, okay. Now, what is your spades for the second number? 2. So what must I put in spades place? At 2. So it will be 3 times 2 plus 2. Understand? So according to Bodmer's, multiplication first. 3 times 2 is? And 6 plus 2 is? 3. Understand? Let's do the next one. What is the spade in the next one? This is the value of the spade. 3. Did you see that? So this spade get now replaced with a 3. So it's going to be 3 times 3 plus 2. So it will be 3 times 3, which is 9. 9 plus 2 is? Okay. The last one. What is the spade now? 4. So the spade gets a 4 in it. So it's 3 times 4 plus 2. According to Bodmer's, that must be done first. 3 times 4 is of course 12, and 12 plus 2 is?
14.
Okay. See, any confusion at this point?
No, sir.
That brings us to the end of the number theory, chapter 2 is diagnostic test. Correct?
Yes, sir.